How's it going, everyone? Right here again. We have the dirt bike. It's going to be a very interesting project, y'all. I actually have no words really off the top of my head. I already did a little bit of work on it. The electric start wasn't working initially, but I rewired it. Turned out there was just a single connection that wasn't connected, so I reconnected it, heat shrinked it, and electric start works. Whoop, it wasn't a neutral, oh well. The shifter was bent from a crash, and we put a new one on, and it seems to be running good. First video showing off the garage. It's a little messier than I'd like, but it's okay. We're not going to be doing a long ride, just kind of want to show you guys the new project. I already have some stuff coming for it. Woo. For those that might know, I rode this dirt bike in one of my first videos. This is actually originally Gulf Spartan's dirt bike, and he's lending it to me for a while he's recovering from being in the hospital for a while. Come on. Should probably turn the gas on. There we go. Well, it seems to be idling a little better now. I might need to adjust the idle mixture screw thingy. It's been a while. But yeah, we're just gonna do a little loop and then we'll call it a video because it's already really hot out. I'm just gonna adjust my mirrors really quick. Oh, it's a little loose, unfortunately. Aw, it's okay. We'll probably get some new mirrors soon. Alright, well, here we go. Gonna I'm gonna get better at rev matching. Woo! I'm still getting used to shifting. It's making a lot of pops right now because it's not really all that tuned very well. Woo! Woo! I gotta get used to shifting, right? See, when I had the motorized bicycle, I got so used to just holding in the clutch when I'm coasting because there are no shifting gears on those type of bikes. But with these, I still gotta get some practice in. Ooh. Whew. We'll get a little better over time, y'all. Woo! Ah! Ooh. Very rough shifting right now. But hey, I think we will get better over time. We're gonna go ahead and head our way back. But hey, I hope you guys are... Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Ugh. Well, I think I might have to end this here. But I hope you guys are excited for the new project. And I will see you guys next time. Peace. Ooh. Ooh, quick clip everyone from my smartphone before we end the video. I realized right as I finally got it home that this petcock on the gas tank is actually broken because I set it to off. As you can see, it's off and it's still leaking. So we have quite a bit of work to do on this thing, but I hope you guys stay with me with this project. By the end of this thing, I'm hoping to not only get this thing street legal, but it's probably gonna end up looking like a Honda at the end of the day, but I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button to help me grow, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.